But sweet, make your own salad. Wait, I did like that. I need to practice. I have to move my hips so that I can't just move my shoulder. Hi Fruit Buds, it's Micaela. Next week may be Valentine's Day, but a wise woman coined February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day, as Galentine's Day, which is all about ladies celebrating ladies.
Is about celebrating lady friends. It's wonderful and it should be a national holiday.
After all, behind every confident woman is a strong core of girlfriends who have her back. What better way to celebrate than making chocolate with a friend? I've got joining me in my kitchen today, my friend Jenna. Hi friends! This is a perfect easy recipe to make with a girlfriend or a group of girlfriends. The best part is, there's no actual cooking involved, so it's pretty hard to mess this one up. If you have a significant other, this recipe works well for your partner too. But we single ladies here gotta stick together.
All the single ladies.
First, if we're gonna cook together, even if we're filming, we gotta make this more realistic. That's more like it. But something's still missing. Okay, that's more like it. Today we're making 5-minute dark chocolate. We have all of our ingredients here.
Raw cacao powder, maple syrup, coconut oil, sea salt to sprinkle on top, along with pink goji berries just for Galentine's Day. Aww. A half cup of melted coconut oil we're gonna pour in the bowl, along with a half cup of cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, a pinch of sea salt. Stir it all together and add just a few goji berries before we pour it in a dish. We're going to transfer our melted creation to a plate that is topped with parchment paper. You can get a little messy here, it doesn't have to be perfect. Put it in the fridge for just a few hours until it's hardened.
We just took this out of the refrigerator. This is a batch that we made earlier today. It's just one big chunk of hardened chocolate. Very gently, just kind of break it up into smaller pieces. It smells so chocolatey. And then it'll look like this. Ta-da!
Now it's time for the best part. We get to
Taste it. So good. It tastes like legit dark chocolate. And it takes like 5 minutes to make.
It's so
good.
fudgy.
It's so rich. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite activity to do with your girlfriends. Keep it sweet,
Make your own salad.
and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Well, this actually tastes really good.
It's fudgy, like, it's not like bark, it's like,
Yeah.
it's in your mouth.
For girlfriends, comment down below your favorite activity to do with your I have trouble with girlfriends. Wow, how was that timing?
And then because it's Valentine's Day, because it's Galentine's Day.
Yeah, see, you're messing up like a boss like me. Alright, but sweet,
Make your own salad.
wait, I did like that. I need to practice. I have to move my hips so that I can't just move my shoulder.